This is a VE diff. It's got a power lock LSD in it. 4 pinion gears. Ramped road. The ramps. Cross shaft rides up on the ramps and pressurises the clutches. You can drive on one wheel. These fucking things. You can jack one wheel off the garage. Anyway, this is the latest thing for these VEs. Held together with 10mm socket head cap screws here. Can't see anything down in there. All you can see is the clutch hubs. Anyway, hold there. Anyway, now what I've got to do here, give it a bit more backlash.
Stop this.
Yeah. The bloke at Digger's Rest wants some clutches. Well, we ran out of stock and we're not making any more. They're too slow moving. No one wants to pay the 300 plus GST for them. I think they're made of wood.
So you can get this power lock LSD.
$1,500.
$1,500.
That's 12.
Best LSD you can get for a VE Commodore. Lasts forever.